Yo, welcome back. So it's August 5, Tuesday, right? Okay. So today I was not prepared to show my webcam, so we'll go with the webcam. And yeah, I'm Sarathi. If you are a new viewer or a new um, upcoming subscriber, yeah, you can subscribe my channel because I'm gonna post whatever the things that I know and what I'm doing about my journeys and tradings and yeah, everything pretty much from the beginner level to profitable level. How I came, all the progress and the material strategies, everything going to be there. Not only a forex but also cryptos and investments. So many stuffs will be in the future. So subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and yeah, so subscribe and give a bell button because some main features gonna be maybe like launching coins or if possible giveaways. So many things are I was planning. Give me a minute. Yeah, I'm back. I just got a call. Okay, so where we left. Uh, yeah, so maybe some interesting topics will be uh, available in upcoming videos. So don't forget to click the bell button if you want that. Okay, so today's our topic: how we going to make money using Telegram username. So it's kind of not uh, continuous earning, I would say. Like it's a way of earning, but maybe one time. It depends on your ideology and it's your skill. Like everything is based on our skill, right? Okay. So, as I told, it's a 5 minute work, but to execute it's almost need 15 days. So we'll look into uh, every steps detail. So not only this video, whatever the ways that in online easily freely that you can earn money, I will let you know in the futures too. So give me a minute. I will make a short setup so we can start this video. So while you're watching in this video, if you have any doubts or if you want to know something better in upcoming videos, make sure put the comment like uh, let me know your what you think. Okay. So before getting into the video, I got to explain like yeah about the Telegram channel that I was because if new peoples were there, they may like miss this like they may miss this what happening like what I'm doing. So yeah, so this is my Telegram channel. So if you are a new viewers, you watching upcoming videos, I've been posting free signals for a week. So this is the monthly report, and every if you go to the pin come messages like here pin messages, you could find every week and a monthly report. So it's almost like half a month, like 1.5 month I've been posted this signals and posted what are the results. We almost ended every week and month as a green. Okay, so that was like once I became profitable within a month we been started this. And for some of my personal work and personal improvements, so we stopped past it for maybe a month. Okay, and yeah, I got to post video in here. So okay, So if you join in this Telegram, in future if I started like, I would say 1 month, but I would start in maybe next week also. I don't know. Like once I finish my work, I will start the signals again. So free signals and very good accurate signals only I will provide. So yeah, you could get benefit from that. So I also post what are the updates, like real time updates and what everything that related to forex. So this is the resource group. So you can find very best resources, not like errored or some random resources from this group. Only tested and back tested, verified resources will be there. So it's been useful for you if you want to join in this exact group. So DM me. Once you join this, in description my ID will be there. So if you DM me, I will let you know the process. It's totally free. Okay. Yeah, that's quite introduction. So about Telegram username, how we gonna, like most of them don't know how to use this opportunity. Maybe like it's not for everyone, but it works. It works. Okay. Yeah. So give me a minute. I'll just set it up. So if you are a Telegram user, like uh, history, if you have a history of a Telegram user like around even a month, you would know that there is a username. Okay. So if you search that kind of username, uh, let me know. Like yeah. So let's say yeah. So you see here. Hope it was visible. Uh, yeah, it is visible. Fine. So what else I have to do? I'll just make sure my chat was pop up, so I could know if it was a rare thing that people chat in the group, but I could know. Okay, so you can see here, if I just typed a random name in the search, if you are in